Hello friends, so this is mock test 4. First question is, first generation of computer was based on. So in first generation computer, vacuum tube. Okay, so this was used in first generation computer. Okay, so the next question is, which of the following statements are not true for the first generation of computer? They are about the size of the room. This is true. They consume more power and generate more heat. This is true. They are made up of semiconductor transistor. No, transistor were not introduced at the time of first generation, so this is wrong. They often fail to operate. This is again true. So which one is wrong? Not true. So this one, C, is our answer. So this is questions from this mock test. So here one more question. Similar transactions to be processed are grouped together and then processed sequentially at once without interruption. So this is batch processing. So in batch processing, what happens? Similar transaction. We have to remember, similar type of transactions are grouped together and then processed. So this is batch processing. So the next one was, the important feature of online processing is what? Record locking, yes. Checkpointing, yes. Logging, yes. So all of the above. Online processing में क्या क्या होता है? Record locking, checkpointing and logging, all. Computing where distributed architecture of multiple computers connected by networks that work together to accomplish a joint work. So this is called grid computing. Okay, so this is answer of all 25 questions. For full video, complete video, please download Geeky Banker app so that you can watch over there this mock test. Thanks for watching. Thanks.